Hey guys, Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. GTA 6 is right around the corner and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are like super excited to play this game. So lately I've been getting like similar sort of comments in my PC videos asking like, Vimal bro, can you build like a new gen gaming PC build that is basically GTA 6 ready? I mean, if you want to play game GTA 6 even at very high graphics preset also, you should be able to run the title with smooth triple digit FPS. That was a goal. So that is what I'll be doing exactly in this video guys, and with the whole components that I've selected are also like quite unique and based on newer gen platform only. It's going to be very interesting. And no, this is not going to be like an expensive or premium sort of gaming PC because not everybody has that kind of budget, right? This is going to be like a value for money mid-range gaming PC build 2026. So on that note, right, I actually have something new to talk about. AMD has just launched their Ryzen 7 7700 X3D chipset guys. It's a new launch, just hit the market today. Now wait a second, you might be like, Vimal bro, you're saying it like a new launch CPU, right? Then why is it in the 7000 series? Because AMD already has a Ryzen 9000 series, right? Well, when you actually hear the proposition of this new model, it kind of makes sense is what I can say. So as I've told you, AMD already has a 9000 series platform. In that also you're getting X3D chipsets in the Ryzen 9 series, Ryzen 7 series also. But most of these chipsets are quite expensive guys, 45,000-50,000 or even go above that also. And not everybody can spend that much only on a CPU, right? That is the reason they've launched like a newer X3D chipset in the 7000 series, making it accessible for all the budget and mid-range gamers also. So definitely appreciate that. So in the 7000 series also, you already had the Ryzen 7 7800 X3D, but what I've heard is it has reached its end of line service guys. So basically I don't think that CPU is going to be available anymore in the future, and this is going to replace it. So Ryzen 7 7700 X3D is also very similar to Ryzen 7800 X3D guys. 90% both the hardware configuration is like pretty much identical guys. Both of them have like 8 cores, 16 threads, and both of them come with like massive pools of L2 plus L3 cache. Obviously they're based on like AMD's 3DV cache technology, right? You're getting massive pools of cache of up to like 104 MB L2 plus L3 combined. Only difference comes in the max boost clock frequency, basically the clock frequencies guys. So this is like a lesser binned variant of 7800 X3D is what I can say. Downclocked version guys, that is what you can call it, and the difference is around like 500 megahertz. So on the 7800 X3D the max boost could hit up to like 5 gigahertz, right? Here this particular variant, the newer chip, can hit around like 4.5 gigahertz. But the main thing, as I've told you guys, price of the CPU is going to be like quite competitive. So this is going to cost you around like $329 in the US. So I guess in the Indian market you're gonna get this for around like 30,000 rupees. So now you can actually buy X3D chipset at a reasonable value for money price point guys. So yeah, I'm like excited to show you all the benchmarks and what sort of gaming performance we'll get to check out in this video. Let's talk about the motherboard as well. Now coming to the motherboard, choosing the motherboard can totally depend on your budget and requirements guys. Say for example, if you're a bit tight on a budget, what I'd advise you is get a very affordable category B650M motherboard. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all the basic requirements. DDR5 RAM support is also there and will get your job done around like 10,000 rupees. But today I am having like an X870E variant motherboard guys, this particular chipset. So that is what I'll be going ahead with. And coming to the GPU, we'll be going for like an all AMD build today guys. That is the reason I've chosen AMD's Radeon 9000 series GPU, the RX 9070. This is also like a great value for money mid-range card guys. Comes with like 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM and is great for like 1440p triple digit FPS gaming. And not just 1440p, it can very well handle like 4K gaming also, and supports newer technologies like AMD's FSR4 technology. AMD frame generation support is also there. So I'm gonna show you all of that in this video. And talking about the memory, so I have like new memory over here guys from Kingston. This is their Fury Beast DDR5 RAM clocked at 6800 MT per second. Right now in the market, this particular RAM costs around like 19,000 rupees per stick. So depending on the budget, you can go for like single channel or dual channel RAM. I'll leave that up to you. And memory also I'm using is from Kingston. They have both PCI Gen 4 and PCI Gen 5 variant. Again, totally depends on your budget. If you have little budget, right, go for this particular variant, which is their Kingston Fury Renegade G5 SSD guys, based on PCI 5.0 platform. Super fast memory and excellent performance guys. I'll I'll try to leave all the links for them in the description box below. Now coming to the cooling, Ryzen 7700X3D is like a reasonable chip, I would say, with a TDP of around 120 watt. So I think a mid-range cooling solution, either it be air or liquid cooler, will get your job done. But today I have a new model air cooler in the house, guys. This is something special from Deepcool. This is their Assassin series cooler, guys. It's a massive air cooler, and that too we have the VC Elite variant. So basically this air cooler comes with vapor chamber cooling technology on the bottom side and is capable of handling TDPs up to 300 watts. So in future, in case if you want to upgrade the CPU also, right, nothing to worry about that. This air cooler is like full on ready for any sort of hardware configuration. Now for a configuration like this, right, I believe 850 watt gold rated power supply would be more than enough, but today I have like a 1000 watt power supply from Deepcool, the PN1000M. It's like a native ATX 3.1 power supply and is also 80 plus gold rated, guys. Excellent power supply from the brand, and this is what I'll be using. Case choice, I'll completely leave it up to you because everybody has like different sort of budget. I'd say get something around like 4,500 5,000 rupees, whichever looks best for you, and I'll try to leave all the links for these products in the description box below. You can check it out there. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the whole assembling part. Presenting our brand new PC. It is completely assembled, and here's our very first look. And oh my god, guys, look at the RGB elements on the inside. Looks absolutely delicious, right? Looks very beautiful. Plenty of fans on the inside. The cabinet has a panoramic glass view, and check out the size of that air cooler from Deepcool. Massive, right? The Assassin VC Elite. Despite the size, it does offer like plenty of RAM clearance. Unobstructed RAM clearance is what I can say. So just sit back, relax, and check out these beautiful cinematic shots, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright boys, I know you people are like really excited for the benchmarks and you want to check out that CPU's performance as well, right? At the beginning only I've told you AMD's all new Ryzen 7 7700X3D is based on Zen 4 architecture and supports AM5 platform. So even if you have like an older motherboard that is based on this socket, right? Nothing to worry about, you can easily upgrade the CPU. This is a 8-core 16-thread CPU with a base clock of 4 GHz and a max boost of up to 4.5 GHz. And since it's based on AMD's 3DV cache technology, you're getting massive amount of L2 and L3 cache, offering up to like 104 MB of total cache, guys. And this is going to offer you like huge gaming performance improvement, which I'll anyhow show you the gaming performance and testing and everything in a moment. So what I've done is I've ran some benchmarks over here like Geekbench and Cinebench, and also did some comparisons with nearby competitors. We'll be comparing this Ryzen 7 7700X3D with AMD's already existing Ryzen 7 7800X3D and a bit more premium and powerful 9800X3D as well. Just have a look at the score. cores. We've got both Geekbench and Cinebench 2024 scores and results over here, both single core and multi-core. This will give you an idea where does the CPU stand exactly in the competition and right now in the market. So keeping that aside, I know you people are like super excited to check out the gaming experience, right? I mean, we're pairing this Ryzen 7700X 3D CPU with Radeon RX 9070 GPU that comes with like 16 gigs of GDDR6 memory. And I'm telling you, right, with this sort of configuration, you can easily play most of your favorite AAA games and even the newer gen titles at both 1440p and 4K high graphics settings also, guys. And obviously this new gen setup even supports like FSR upscaling technology and AMD frame generation as well. So starting off the benchmarks with a brand new AAA title, Stellar Blade. Stellar Blade is one of my favorite games, guys. Initially it was like exclusive to PlayStation platform. Now recently it has dropped on the PC platform as well. So as usual, we'll be doing the benchmarks at different resolutions. First, we'll try to play the game at 1440p resolution, very high graphics preset, and yes, obviously we'll try to enable AMD's FSR upscaling and frame generation as well. This is going to give you like huge upgrade and improvement in the FPS. So just sit back, grab your popcorn and enjoy the gameplay. No freaking way. Guys, are you kidding me? You people checking out the frame rate? Stellar Blade at 1440p very high was easily running over 200 FPS, guys. 230 to 240 FPS. What kind of madness is this? At the beginning only I've told you, right? This all AMD gaming PC is like the value for money and most powerful mid-range gaming PC build you can actually build right now. And it's gonna offer you like crazy results over here. And not just 1440p, let's quickly bump up the resolution to 4K as well and check out the results. So as you people can see right now, Stellar Blade is running at 4K resolution, very high graphics preset, and yes, AMD's FSR 3 is on along with AMD frame generation technology, and bam, these are the results. On an average, even at 4K resolution, also very high graphics, we were easily getting around like 140 to 145 FPS, buttery smooth gaming experience, no lags, no stutters, nothing like that. I'm absolutely enjoying the whole gaming experience over here. So as I've told you, even if you're looking to play games at 4K resolution, maybe on your 4K TV, right, with high refresh rate, yes, this configuration can handle most of the AAA titles, not an issue at all. And not just Stellar Blade, let's also play one more brand new AAA title, which is 007 First Light. This is also like a crazy game, guys. It has lots of interesting gadgets, combat, and I really like the whole gaming experience as well over here. So this game also we'll be playing at two different resolutions, 1440p and 4K. So right now in this first test, we're playing the game at 1440p high graphics and AMD's FSR technology on, and upscaling is set to like quality preset. And bam, there you go. On an average, we were getting around like 135 to 140 FPS. Very smooth and consistent triple digit FPS, guys. Absolutely muska gaming over here. And not just 1440p, even if you push the limits and go up to like 4K resolution, also high graphics preset with AMD's FSR on quality preset, we were roughly getting around like 75 to 80 FPS, guys. Very good results. Again, mind you, the game doesn't support frame generation, yet we were getting like really good results over here. So just like this, you can play most of your favorite AAA titles, no hassles at all. And if you guys want to check out the real-time CPU clocks or maybe like temperatures, GPU performance as well, you can have a look at the top left corner of the display. Here you will find the real-time CPU GPU stats. And that is pretty much it, boys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. Now only thing I'm really curious to know is about the exact pricing of this brand new CPU in the Indian market. Now in the US, AMD has launched this for around like $329, but I believe in the Indian market it's going to roughly cost you around like 32,000. We'll have to wait and see. If only AMD could do the pricing right, this could actually be like a really good value for money CPU for all the mid-range gamers out there. So what do you people think about the whole build, configuration, and also the brand new CPU? Let me know in the comment section down below. And that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about the build. I'll try to leave the pricing details, everything on the screen over here, and also the product links as well in the description box below. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.